Hosting a chapter event has many responsibilities. Always check your local health official and institution's guidelines first to ensure that your event is in compliance. These guidelines may include setting up a screening station. We are used to being screened when entering public spaces, but we as chapter members may also be asked to conduct screenings with diligence and care. As a screener, protect yourself by wearing a mask and distancing. Ensure that visitors have read the screening questions posted in the entryway. Provide a mask if they do not have one. Direct visitors to sign in, including their contact information, and to apply provided hand sanitizer for at least 20 seconds prior to entry. Screening may include a body temperature check. A critical component is a no-contact infrared thermometer, or NCIT. Get familiar with the NCIT by reviewing its instructions and practicing with other members. Do not touch the screening area except to clean with an alcohol wipe. Guests must remove head coverings prior to screening. It is important to hold the NCIT sensing area perpendicular to your guest's forehead and at the distance recommended by the manufacturer. CDC considers a person to have a fever when their temperature is 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit or more. If the temperature reading is elevated, re-screen after a few seconds. For their privacy, show the guest the reading rather than saying it out loud. It is important to know that many things can cause an elevated temperature. For example, removing a cap seconds before screening, working out just before screening, and hot weather can also temporarily cause a high reading. Explain this possibility to the guest and direct them to an area separate from the screening checkpoint where they can wait for re-screening. In the meantime, notify the host or member their guest has arrived. If the temperature does not resolve, they will be able to discuss other arrangements to meet. See your chapter health screening plan for guidance on re-screening and discussion with guests about entrance policies. Working together to follow screening requirements and using good judgment, chapter members and guests can safely enjoy the benefits of events and activities. For more information on setting up screening checkpoints and selection of an NCIT, go to Favor&Company.com to download the Guidance for a Healthful Living Environment for fraternity and sorority chapters.